Substance Player can be used to generate material maps. These maps can then be imported into Chief Architect to create custom, lifelike materials for use in your designs. To download Substance Player, go to substance3d.com/substance-player. Look for the green logo. Download and install it. Substance Player will load the file format that is used by the content team to generate materials. It is free and available for Windows or Mac. Next, you will want to download the Tile Builder from Chief Talk. In Chief Talk, search Substance Player. The Tile Builder can be found inside the article along with fabric and wood generators. To open the Tile Builder, click Open in the upper left corner, find Tile Builder and click Open. The Tile Builder will open with the default settings. The Tile Builder interface is broken into three main sections. The first, located in the upper left of the screen, displays a 2D view of the custom tile being created. Click on the tabs along the top of this section to view the maps for the custom tile. When imported into Chief, the maps are what define the 3D characteristics of the materials you are creating, giving them their realistic attributes. Below that is the 3D view of the custom tile. Here, the maps are all placed to show how your custom tiles will look in a 3D view once they are imported into Chief. Both 2D and 3D preview sections will update as changes are made to the parameters in the final panel. Let's review options for editing the tile. Output size sets the size for the texture image and maps being exported. 512 by 512 pixels is ideal. Then set the shape from the drop-down menu. Many common shapes are available here, even a few not-so-common shapes that users have requested as Dustin put this tile builder together. Introduce multiple tile materials, colors, and finishes by setting the tile layout. When 2 or 3 color random is selected for tile layout, you have the option to redistribute the randomization of the tiles until you are happy with it. Simply click Randomize. Fine-tune the tile layout by adjusting Offset, which shifts the arrangement of the tiles. Define your tile edges for smooth, flat edges or subtle round styles with the Tile Edge slider here. Notice as the slider goes to the right, the edges become more rounded, and to the left they become flat and straight. The grout controls were the main reason that this tile builder was created. Chief Architect had many requests to give designers control over grout, and here at Chief we do everything in our power to help our users become successful. It is our mission and goal in every single thing that we do here. The easiest way to set the grout color is to click on the color box in the far right. Here you can enter specific color values using the RGB sliders and more, or simply select a color by moving the target inside the color picker and sliding the color bar. To lock in the selection, click the X and the menu will close. Next, set the grout width using the slider. Slide left for thin grout lines and right for a chunkier look. Set the tile specifications next. The Tile Builder allows you to choose up to 3 tile types, and each has its own controls. Select a material. Inverting reverses the design. Set the color in the same way that the grout color was set. No tile is exactly the same as the next. Give variation to tiles using the Color Variation slider. Variation increases by sliding right. Choose from hand-glazed details like smooth, pitted, and colored. Then adjust the roughness using the Roughness slider. Sliding right removes the shine. Finally, make additional adjustments to the color using the Hue, Saturation, and Lightness sliders. If there are multiple colors, styles, or textures in the custom design, Repeat these steps for each tile in their specification dialog below. Let's demonstrate this by creating a custom tile. Click the refresh button at the top of the screen to reset defaults. Let's make this Mosa sea glass colored subway tile. Set the tile layout, 2:1 tile. Mark our custom tile as 2-color random. This tile's layout is not a perfect brick pattern, it's slightly offset. Make the adjustment using the offset slider. Set the tile edge. This example has a very subtle curve to the edges. Set the grout color and width. Now set the parameters for tile 1. These are solid, lighter toned tiles. Mark the material as porcelain. Select the color by clicking on the color square and making adjustments until it's just right. Since no tile is exactly the same, add some variation to the color. Select Hand Glaze Smooth to give the tiles that wavy reflection to their surface. Then fine-tune the color using the remaining slide bars. Follow the same guidelines for tile 2. This time choosing a slightly darker tone and faded quartz material to give it a painterly look. Select Hand Glaze Smooth, then fine-tune the color using the remaining slide bars. The final result is very close to our photo example. Use these techniques to create almost any tile under the sun. So the maps can be uploaded into Chief Architect, they must be exported. Click on Export as Bitmap. A dialog opens and lists the outputs: base or texture, normal, roughness, and metallic maps. In the folder section, define where the maps will be filed on your computer. Format is the file type that will be exported. The default is set to TGA, but to import into Chief later, let's set the file format to PNG. Next, set the base name pattern. Replace %G with the name of the custom material and click Export. Now that the maps have been created, let's upload the custom tile into Chief. Right-click on the user catalog, click New, then Material. Name the material. Under the Texture tab, in the Texture Source section, browse and select the base color file from the folder where it was stored on your computer. Then add the normal map under the Normal Map section. Click the Properties tab. Here browse and select Roughness and Metal Maps where indicated. Click OK and the new tile will appear in the user catalog. Search Substance Player on the Chief Architect website and Chief Talk to learn more about Substance Player and custom material generation for use in Chief Architect. Chief Architect is not affiliated in any way with the Substance Designer or Substance Player software programs. Chief Architect will not be able to offer any support for the Substance software products or files. Using the program and files is completely voluntary. Substance-compatible files are provided simply as a gesture, with no guarantees and extended to give access to more material options for those who are interested.